birth to them as twins. How could you not know who came first? Who the Ada of this kingdom is? Now look at the problem it's causing in the whole kingdom. And your girls have refused to step down for each other. All of them wants to be crown princess. Eh? Listen, you have to do something. You have to try and convince one to step down for the other. So that there will be peace. So that all this nonsense will stop.
Agnes, I have tried my best. I have tried to talk to them, but none of them agreed to listen to me. Both of them wants to become the crown princess. It's not easy for me. I have tried my best. I don't know what to do again.
Anyway, I'll be on my way. But you have to do what you need to do. Okay? I have told them. And I've given them time to think and cooperate with each other. So I'm expecting to hear good news. Both for myself and the kingdom. You have to do something. You have to do the needful. Because this thing is getting out of hand and I do not like what I hate. I will not tolerate it anymore. I've said my own. The reason why I said you should move on. Get another girl, marry her. Stop waiting for Adak and Demma because those girls are not serious. Do you know I even threatened them with their father losing the throne? Yet they didn't budge because they're careless. I'm telling you.
Mom, I'm beginning to see your point of view. If everything you said is true, then I would have to ask some questions. Very, very important questions. And if the coast is clear, I would proceed with my plans.
Okay. Whatever you are doing or questions you are asking, go ahead but do them ASAP. Okay?
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race. All man on his own.
You're not saying anything. Listen. There's something I would like to make you understand. There's something I want both of you to understand. Listen, if you must know, finding a solution to this problem depends on the decision you make. Adako, are you willing to step down for your sister to wear the crown?
What? Why would I do that? Never. I will never step down for this thing to wear the crown. That can only happen over my dead body.
You heard your sister, Adako. Are you willing to step down for her to wear the crown?
I think the perfect solution to this problem is what you earlier suggested. For this thing standing right here to step down for me to wear the princess's crown. Listen, the maidens of this kingdom need an understanding person. And that person is me. Someone who can stand by them and stand for them anywhere, any place, and at any time. And that person, once again, is me. So trust me when I say that I cannot step down for any idiot to take the princess's crown, because that position is very vital and sensitive.
Did you hear that? She's insulting me. This thing standing right here is insulting me.
And if I
Okay,
insult
now
you,
I
what would you do?
cannot take her insult anymore. You have to warn her.
If I insult you, what would you do?
Oh, really? Oh, I see.
Alright, guys.
Isn't it obvious
Guys.
that you are jealous of me?
Guys, listen.
Because I can see the fears in your eyes with your actions and your words.
Can you-
but
can-
you know what?
hello?
I will not fight you in front of my man.
Guys, listen.
Why are you embarrassing yourself
in
before my
your
guests?
little head, he is your guest.
Guys.
Of course, he's my husband.
Guys.
For me, yes.
Hello?
You are dreaming.
I'm actually very disappointed right now. Okay. Igwe. I'm tired. I have been patient enough. I need to get married and move on with my life as our custom and tradition demands. I need to fulfill the agreement you had with my late father before he died. But your daughters are making things very, very hard. Igwe, you have to do something because this is the last time I am going to talk about this issue.
I've heard you, my son. I apologize for the delay. I know the consequences of you not getting married to my daughters. All I'm asking is patience. I will correct everything. Everything will be all right. Biko.
It's okay.
Thank you, my son. You just reminded me of your late father, my good friend.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race. A man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring this, don't be afraid to share.
I don't know and I don't want to know, Precious. Father, you just hit me.
How dare you, Dema? Now listen to me, both of you. I've tolerated you enough. And I'm not ready to do that again. I'm not ready. I'm giving you 2 days to tell me what I want to hear. Or you will see the other side of me. 2 days. And all I want to hear is that either you or she have stepped down, or you will not like me. If I should lose this throne, if I lose this throne, I will send you out of this palace and you go outside and waste, if that is what you want. 2 days, I said. 2 days!
Did you hear that? Daddy said 2 days. Stupid thing. Do what you're supposed to do.
So, Okenna, my son, you should not make any mistakes about this. You have to marry the princess. Igwe's daughter, the princess. She is your wife. And you must marry her according to the will of your father, your late father. You heard what he told you before he died. The princess, the king's daughter, is your wife. And you must marry her. You cannot run away from your responsibilities. Okay? She is your wife. Go for her. That is it.
Wise one. Thank you. But I have a few questions to ask.
Go ahead.
My father's wish before he died is for me to marry one of the Igwe's daughters, right?
Yes.
Now, how is that going to happen when the crown rejected Igwe's daughters, 2 of them?
You see, you must not make any mistakes about this. If you marry from outside the palace, you will not live to see the next day. You must not marry any woman from outside the palace. The gods have instructed, and the gods must be obeyed. And the will of the gods is that you marry from the palace.
Okay.
Therefore, you have to obey the gods.
Wise one, I am willing to obey the gods. I'm willing to carry out the wishes of my father, my late father. But the question is, who now becomes my wife and who becomes the crown princess of this kingdom when the crown rejected both of them? Both of Igwe's daughters.
That should not bother you. The gods make their choice, and their words have to be obeyed. So, you have to proceed. Obey the gods. Marry the princess. She is your wife.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race. All man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring this. Don't be afraid to share your wine.
The chief priest said that? Eh? So what did he say you should do?
He instructed that I must not marry outside the palace. If I marry a woman who's not a royal blood, I'd upset the spirit of my ancestors and I'll not live to see the next day. He said, my wife-to-be is the crown princess of this kingdom.
Hi! Why must he say a thing like that? Knowing what is happening in that palace between the 2 girls. Eh? Huh. So, what are we going to do?
Mom, I have no idea. I'd like to get some rest because I'm having a headache. When I wake up, I'll think of something to do.
Just go and rest because you need it. Oh. Hi.
All right, Mom.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled.
So far, what
Come rain, come sunshine, it
what
must
did
be
we do
done.
to deserve this?
Cause life is a race. All man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Lima.
My princess.
How are you doing?
Very well, my princess. My princess, would you like for my sister and I to get you anything?
Anything? Okay. Get me oranges.
Oranges?
Right away.
Of course.
Destruction. Be careful in this life. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye.
I just hope she'll believe us. She'll have to, because this is very serious.
Are you sure?
People, I'm sure they are up to something. I'm very sure. I'm pretty sure.
She's coming.
Maybe I'm Amara.
You get sent for me. What is it?
My princess, I want to tell you something.
Okay. I'm listening.
What is it?
My princess, please. Do not tell anyone that I'm the one that told you, please. It's very serious.
Very serious.
Yes, my princess.
Nedi, speak! You're making me scared. What is it?
My princess is about your sisters.
Okay.
Adako and Dimma. I think they are up to something. I think they want to poison you because of your position in the kingdom as the princess.
Yes, my princess, she's right.
Nedi, you're very funny. My own sisters wants to poison me. How possible could that be?
My princess, this is not a joking matter. I mean it. This is very serious.
Okay, tell me. How do you know?
My princess, I was observing the both of them few hours ago when they were peeling oranges for you. They were just busy giving themselves strange signs. I think they are up to something. My princess, even Amara here saw what happened.
Yes, my princess. Don't mind those smiles on their faces. Deep down in their hearts is very dark. Please, you have to believe us.
Do you girls realize you're talking about my sisters? My blood sisters. I don't want to get upset with you girls.
We are sorry.
I'm sorry, my princess. My princess! My princess! My princess! What is wrong? Somebody help! My princess! My princess! Somebody help! My princess! Oh my god! Oh my god! My princess, you can't do this! My princess! Somebody help! Oh my princess! My princess, please don't die! Please don't do this! My princess! My princess! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! What happened? Why are you making us silent? Why are you disturbing us? I don't know what is wrong with her. She asked me to get her drinking water. Written here, I saw her like this. Saw her like this? My princess, please wake up.
Is she dead? That's blood. So she's finally dead.
No! My princess!
Who is that butterfly?
My sister.
Finally.
My princess. Do you want more oranges?
Jesus! Jesus, what's with you? What is it? Why are you shouting like this?
Maybe I had a terrible dream.
Terrible what?
Oh, what is it now? Madu contradiction at this palace. You have a terrible dream. See, if you're not banje or you're having a spiritual problem or spiritual husband, better go and look for solution though. What is it now? Look at the time. You are waking us up for no reason. Joseph the dreamer.
Chizoma, not to worry.
It was so real.
I understand. It's okay. Let's go back to sleep. We can talk about it tomorrow morning, okay? Just sleep, okay?
You mean you passed through all this in your dream? This is so unbelievable.
Nedi, I'm as confused as you are right now.
Why won't you be confused? Tell me now, why won't you be confused? See, I don't have problem with your dream. It's you, the dreamer, Joseph. But my problem is, you telling her that you saw me in your dream, serving you. No, starting when? Eh? So even if I want to join any Ogbanje society or anything, I don't know the one that will join. It's your own. You. See, respect yourself. Oh. Respect yourself. Don't you ever in your life open your mouth and tell her that you saw me in your dream serving you.
Amara, enough of the insults.
Who is this one?
Enough of the insults already. It's okay. Why are you insulting her?
Hey! Oh, dear. I'm talking to somebody and you're talking. Keep quiet. See, mind your business. Mind your business. Don't you ever in your life open your mouth, mention my name. Don't try to. If not, you see that your dream, I will kill you before you wake up. Amara, I promise you.
Amara, wait. Did you just say that to me? No, I don't understand. You're asking me if I am talking to you as in what? In Kegini? Why won't I talk to you? You think I am Chizoba that you talk to anyhow in this palace? Please, don't try me. Don't even try it.
See, I know they are looking for somebody that will kill you or somebody that you will die in his or her hand. But it's not my own. No. Me, I will not kill you. I will not even touch you because your own are small kiss. I will just off you like lighter. I will just off you like this. See, respect yourself. And for you, don't you ever in your life open your mouth and say you see me any dream more. Before I forget, I also heard you said you saw Princess Dimma and Adako. They were also serving you. Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell them. Hey. So you go and explain to them. Yes, I didn't hear everything. No. I heard just small. So I'm sure by the time I open my mouth and tell them, my princess, so see what Chizoba said though. You will not come and explain better.
Please now.
Who is this one? Who is this one?
Sit down.
You want to put me in trouble?
Why are you already in trouble? You're already in trouble.
Please, don't do this. Please.
Chizoba, I'm not going to take this from you.
You didn't know what that means.
You don't need to beg her. Allow her to
Amara,
go and
please.
Allow her to go and report so we'll handle this once and for all. What's wrong with you?
Lady, don't
you know that if we don't handle it now, she may end up using it against you in this palace? She might even blackmail you with it someday. So allow her to go and report. Let's face it. After all, it's a mere dream.
Are you sure of what you just told me?
Yes, my princess. I overheard her telling Ndidi about it. And I even confronted her and she said nothing will happen.
Really?
Yes.
Go and fetch me that lunatic.
Alright, my princess.
Stupid girl.
Jesus.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Are you of a royal blood?
No, Your Majesty.
Or are you planning a takeover from my daughters?
No, Your Majesty. I'm just an ordinary maiden.
Oh, you are aware you are just an ordinary maiden. And you are dreaming of taking my daughter's position. That is becoming the princess of Ama's kingdom. I can see you have plans. But let me warn you. Don't ever in your life have such dream. Not to talk of saying it out. If you do, if you dare, I will punish you. Idiot.
I'm sorry, my queen.
My daughters, you have anything to say?
Of course. I have something to say. I want her punished severely for allowing herself have such a dream of taking my position in this kingdom. And she also had the guts, the effrontery, to talk about such an abominable dream. Maza, I am sure after this punishment, she will reject such a dream from reoccurring, right? Right? Yes, my princess.
Yes, my princess.
Stupid.
Chizoba. So according to you, you had a dream. And in that dream, you didn't see anyone else in this community to serve and worship you other than I and my sister. You have the guts to say that I was peeling oranges and you were busy enjoying them. You actually took the oranges from me. That was your dream and not mine. Am I correct? Well, henceforth, after your daily chores, you will go to the market, buy oranges, come back here, peel them for me and serve me for 2 months. That's not all. Henceforth, you will also sleep with your eyes wide open. Do not close your eyes. If I so much as see them closed, I will gouge them out. Do you understand me?
Father, please, this is not a big deal. She said it was just a mere dream and it could happen to anyone. Father, please don't crucify her because of a dream.
Happen to who exactly?
What? Bro? What is your problem? How dare you dream of me? Me, Adaku, serving you. You lunatic.
Prince, are you sure you're...
You will get it hot from me. I am
You
not
shut up
even
your
done
mouth.
with you yet. What is the problem?
Who are you to question my authority in this palace? Father.
Authority.
Why are you always against us?
Father, please. Chizoba,
Yes, my prince.
you can leave now, okay? If anybody harasses you again in this palace, let me know. Leave.
Including me?
As what? Judge and
You
jury.
just take a step forward and
I don't understand
you
you.
see me behead you.
Huh?
Sometimes I don't understand the way you reason. Are you saying those words or they are just coming out of your mouth?
Mother, just
A
leave
common
him.
maid?
Just leave him. Let him spew whatever nonsense he wants to spew.
Okay.
Did you hear what I told you?
Father,
Let me not get my oranges tomorrow. You're dead.
this is not fair.
She's getting your
Life is not
They are
fair.
intimidating this girl.
Life is not fair.
Father, this is not fair. at
Life
all.
isn't fair.
And it could happen to anyone.
No, it can't happen to me. Why aren't you dreaming? Why didn't you have the dream?
Yes, why did she dream of you serving her?
Yes.
Why me? Why my sister?
Father, they are questioning my authority in this palace. I don't like that, Father.
We don't like it either that we're meant to serve a common maid in her dream. How dare she?
Sir, your food is...
Hey, get lost.
Son.
So you have been sitting outside here all day, looking very worried. What is it?
Yes, Mom. I'm worried. Shouldn't I be? Aren't you aware of the calamity that has befallen us? My father's wish before he died was for me to get married to one of the Igwe's daughters. His wishes are not coming true. The chief priest said the Igwe's daughters would come for the coronation. And whoever the crown fits, or whoever the crown accepts between both of them, would become my wife and the crowned princess, right? But what happened? The crown rejected both of them. And to allow peace reign, the chief priest said to them, one of you must step down for one person to become the crown princess. Both of them rejected. Mother, what do I do? Okay, when I tried to get married to someone outside the palace, someone who's not of a royal blood, what did he say? I cannot do that. I cannot marry someone who's not royalty, someone outside the palace. The chief priest said I cannot do that. If I do that, I'm going to lay a curse on myself. If I do that, I'm going to upset the spirit of my ancestors, and I will not live to see the next day. So mother, tell me, what do I do? Who do I get married to? Who becomes the crown princess? Who becomes my wife? I'm totally confused.
My son, to tell you the truth, I have not been sleeping because of this issue. I suggest we meet some elders. Talk to them, maybe find out if there is a ritual or sacrifice that we can perform so that these problems will be solved once and for all. Because we cannot continue to wait. How long are you going to wait for something that you don't even know when it will end? Eh? And the Igwe is not even helping matters. Why won't he command his daughters on what to do? Why? Because you cannot tell me that the Igwe cannot call his daughters and command them on what to do. And they will not do it.
I think you have a point.
Because I don't know what else to do. I don't know.
So beautiful. Wow. The crown looks good on me.
Hey! Chizoba! Chizoba! You're wearing the princess crown! I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. Please, Amara, please don't do this to me, please. Do you know what to do? Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't know what to do. I'm sorry! Hey! Jesus!
No, please make our time and come to the palace. Yes, so we discuss on how this year of our festival will be. It's very important. It's okay. I will call you back. Godi.
I can't wait for that.
I'm telling you. Let us start planning it now.
Yeah, it's very important.
Your Majesty, abomination.
Abomination? Who committed it?
Hello, Your Majesty, I went into the queen's room to clean, and I saw Chizoba putting on the princess crown on her head.
Where is she?
She was still inside the room when I ran to her.
I knew that girl is up to something in this palace. Imagine a girl that came up with a dream that she dreamt of my own children, my daughters worshipping her in her dream. What else can she not do? who knows her next plan of action?
Amara,
Yes,
I want to see her here now.
Maid, I'm finished. Maid, I'm finished. Please, I don't know what I've done to myself. I don't know what I've done to myself.
But why would you do that in the first place? Eh? Who came over you? You shouldn't have done that. See, look at what you have brought upon yourself now. How are you going to defend yourself before the royal family now?
Please,
hey,
please, I don't know what came over me. I don't know what came over me. Hey, I'm finished.
Hey. No need, you're wasting your time. You go start to call you. So go and play your card. You did with me. So you were doing it even more. Eh? Madam, go and defend yourself.
See, Chizaba, it's okay. Just go. Everything will be fine, okay? Go ahead, sir. Okay?
Pray for God. You! Okay. Better go.
But see, Amara, I don't like what you just did. I don't like this thing you did just now. Eh? She pleaded with you. Why did you go and report her to the
Hey, stop it. Am I going to ask her to go and commit a crime? Eh? Stop it, though.
Amara, I've told you, no one knows tomorrow. I want to hear my say what you did is not good. It's not good. Amara, what you did is not good. I've told you.
Is it true you went into Lolo's room and picked the princess's crown and placed it on your head?
Did you hear the king? Did you fearlessly enter my room, picked the princess's crown and placed it on your head?
Your Majesty, please, I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
You call it a mistake? Do you know the gravity of that offense you committed? Do you know, first was you dreamt that my two daughters were serving you and bowing down to you. Today now, you have the effrontery to enter Lolo's room and carry the princess's crown and place it on your head. Why am I here? I'm going to teach you a lesson you will not forget so soon. Mmemegalo. Guards!
Your Highness. Father, please. The poor girl said it was a mistake.
A mistake?
And she promised it won't repeat itself. Please, Father, have mercy on her.
Stay away from this. Owen Kema. Guards!
Your Highness.
Take her away.
Yes, Your Highness.
What are you waiting for?
And flog her mercilessly. Did you hear me?
Get up and move it.
Why flog her? She should be beheaded.
Yes.
Why would you put our crown on her head? That head should be off. What effrontery?
Mistake.
Who knows her next line of action? Maybe she has been eyeing my position in this palace.
Obviously.
Yes.
Mother, you have a point.
Yes. She has guts. Went into my room, opened the door and placed the crown on her head.
Can't you listen to her? She deserves another chance. Please.
Hello, bro.
Can you stop saying
them
that?
to take off her head? Please. She needs to be beheaded.
Let her flog her first.
Father, this is not right. This is not right, Father.
And tell me what is right.
Sorry, Sorry. You see what I was telling you? You shouldn't have done that. Now look at what these people have done to you, These people are so wicked.
Hi. Lady, I didn't know what pushed me to do that. It was a mistake. Lady, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. These people dealt with me.
I'm so sorry, Well, I'm still confused in all this. I still don't understand what is going on.
What is it?
But wait, Did you say you actually wore the princess's crown on your head and nothing happened to you?
Nothing happened.
You remember that day that Princess Adako and Demia were supposed to be crowned the princess of this kingdom? The crown rejected the both of them. That is to say, the crown is so powerful. But here you are, telling me you wore the crown and nothing happened. Have you ever paused for a while to think what I am thinking?
I've not thought of that. Maybe the crown didn't do anything to me because I had nothing in mind. Besides, I'm not from a royal home. May the Lord just forget about this topic. I'm in pain.
Sorry, eh?
Ned, what is it?
Sorry.
Easy!
Sorry.
I'm in pain, easy! You want to kill me?
Zoba, it's okay. Don't worry, continue. We are almost through. Continue.
What am I doing? My princess. Why are you sweeping the compound? Eh? My princess. Tachi! Tachi, please come on. Come.
Yes, Amara, what is it?
Onajun, what is it? Can't you see with your eyes? Our princess is sweeping the compound. Do you need my help? My princess, I can help you and do anything. No? Eh?
Or do you want me to peel oranges for you, or maybe dress your room?
Hey, we can't do anything.
Don't mind them, okay?
Let's go, darling.
Why are they doing this? What have I done to them?
Like I said, do not mind them. Continue with what you are doing. We are almost through, okay? Sorry. It's okay. Sorry.
My son, you meet me well. I have cola nut, I have drink. So which one do you prefer?
Iche, thank you very much, but I'm not in the mood to have all of that.
Yes. It's all right. Well, you are in the right mood to take anyone. I will give it to you. I have it in front of me.
No, it's okay.
You're welcome. So this is why you're in my house today. I hope all is well.
Iche, there's a problem.
Problem? What kind of problem? I know it's not money, because if it is money, I know you have it in front of you. So what is the problem?
Iche, I came to see you today because I know that no matter how bad the situation is, you're a man of truth. You always speak the truth. Iche, are you aware of the agreement my late father had with Igwe before he died?
Yes, I'm aware. I'm aware. Well, the agreement was that you are going to marry one of the Igwe's daughter, which is the princess. If the Igwe fulfilled his promises by giving one of his daughters hand in marriage, which is the princess, that he will rule this kingdom till he join his ancestors. Then you can take back the throne. But if whereby he could not comply, you have no option than to dethrone him and take back the throne. That was the agreement.
Beautiful. Thank you for speaking the truth. But Iche, there's fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain. that agreement between my late father and Igwe has been breached. Igwe is not keeping to his own part of the bargain. As we speak, the crown rejected his daughters, both of them. My question is, who then becomes the princess of the kingdom? And most importantly, my wife. Now, the chief priest made it very easy for both of them. He said, one of his daughters must step down for the other to become the princess. Both of them disagreed. And the Igwe is not doing anything about it. Iche, the part that stresses me the most is the Lolo, their mother, cannot identify who the older person is amongst two of them. What do I do? I am confused.
My son Okenna, if I tell you that this thing you just said here now has not been disturbing me, then I am a liar. But I'm only waiting for the person involved to come up with this idea. But now that you are here for the same purposes, we will then know what to do. You will go to Igwe, demand for your throne back. Demand for your throne back. You just said that Igwe and the law, they are not doing anything, that you are suspecting false play. You are not far from the truth. What stops Igwe from fulfilling the promises he gave to your father, fulfilling the agreement he had with your father before your father died? What is there? Just like you rightly said, Igwe and Lola are not doing anything.
The entire situation is fraudulent. So I need justice.
So you have to go to the Igwe and demand for your throne. Dethrone him. Take back your throne. And I will be solidly behind you. I will also talk to all other cabinet members and they will solidly behind us. Go to the Igwe and demand for your throne. We will support you.
Thank you very much, Iche.
But I am bothered. Something is bothering me.
What's bothering you, Iche?
Those Igwe's daughters, they are not the blood of Amanze kingdom.
What?
Yes.
Iche, what do you mean?
You will not understand. You don't see what I'm seeing. Because you are still a small boy.
Iche, do you know what you're saying?
But no problem. Let's watch and see. Time shall come when we will know everything. But I'm still saying that those girls, but there's no problem. No problem.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled.
Could that be why the crown rejected her?
Current consumption.
Would you know that I am just telling you what my spirit tells me?
Is a race. A man on his own.
Ini Edo said this to you.
But mother, I can't lie to you. But on the other hand, I like what he said. But the only challenge is, it is going to cause a war.
And so what? If the Igwe fails to comply, what will you do? Huh? Besides, he's been using you. He's just using you. Listen, son, this fight is not your fight alone. Remember, he took an oath before the Ajala deity. So, when the agreement is no more agreement, what do? The man is just trying to play a fast one. But thank God, Ichezimozo is behind you now.
Mom, the part that confuses me the most is when he said the Igwe's daughters do not have the blood of Amanze kingdom. Can you beat that?
You know, one thing about that Iche is that he speaks like a prophet. And whatever he says always happens. You know, son, one thing I want you to do is to take a decision and make a move. And let us see what the reaction will be. Then we'll know what to do.
You have a point, Mom. But whoever knows the Igwe should caution him. Because I do not want to start a war.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine.
Why lighting?
It must be done. Cause life is a race. A man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring this to share, afraid to share.
Iche Zimozo, I don't understand you anymore. I don't understand what you are saying. You are getting me more confused, eh?
Oh no. Do you know at times I look at you as a corny person?
Myself?
Yes. Yes. Now let me ask you. All the things that has been happening at the Igwe's palace between Okena and the Igwe's daughter, what did you do? Eh? You just kept quiet, watching things, going left, right, and center, spoiling. When you're supposed to talk, you keep quiet. You know,
Zimozo, ask Panonye Nino Hebana when you Nesunoku Aboria. Do you know the number of times I've gone and visited the chief priest on this subject matter? Eh? Did you know that he told me to go and see the twins so that one would step down for the other, but they refused to obey? What do you expect me to do?
You went to see the chief priest?
Yes.
You and who?
Yeah,
I'm asking you. You went to see the chief priest. You and who went to see the chief priest? Are you the only cabinet members in this community? Why is it that only you and Dikeh are planning or doing whatever that pleases you in this community? But when there is a problem, that's when you will know there are other we have other cabinet members in this community. Okay? You and who went to see the chief priest? I'm asking you.
Zimozo, what have I done to you to warrant this insult from you?
You don't know. Why are you doing this? Why are you deceiving yourself? Now let me tell you something. Let me give you a very important information. Just to listen. Clear your ears. Let me tell you something. A very important information.
I am all ears.
Okay, now. He's about to take back his father's throne. So very soon, he will dethrone Dikeh and become the king of the Igwe of this community. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me.
What have you just said now? I didn't understand.
I believe you are not deaf and dumb. You heard me.
This is a promise.
Zimozo, please come now, please. Let us welcome. Mazi, come now.
Your Majesty, please, we are here on behalf of all the maidens in this kingdom to know why we are not represented in the palace and the entire kingdom. The young men of this land already have their representative, even our mothers and the elderly men. So why is our own space empty?
Your Majesty, all we are pleading for now is to have a princess that will be speaking for us in this kingdom. We have waited for so long and it's overdue. The maidens are complaining bitterly.
It's okay.
The young maidens of our kingdom have heard all you said. I will ask you to give me some time. Just exercise a little patience and everything will be sorted out. My cabinet members and I, we are working towards it. In no distant time, you will have your crown princess. Huh? Just give me a little time.
It's okay, Your Majesty. We've heard you. We will go back and deliver your message to other maidens. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Your Majesty. We'll be on our way
Send
now.
me well to all of them.
The ego is trying to frustrate my plans, but I'm not going to let that happen.
So what are you going to do about that?
I want my throne back.
You know, being an Igbo is not an easy thing.
Other kings do not have two heads. They have just one.
So have you told Igwe?
I'll tell him.
No, it's not easy to be Igwe.
I'm ready for the task.
Okay. My king.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race.
No, what kept you long from the palace? I told you to come so that we can make arrangement for this year of our festival. Anyways, thank God you are here.
Your Majesty, that's not why I'm here.
So why did you come?
There's problem in this our kingdom. Big one for that matter.
Problem what? What is the problem?
God. Your daughters are about to bring shame to this our kingdom. You see, Okenna wants to take his father's throne from you. He is of the opinion that you are playing a delaying tactics with your family. Or that you don't want him to marry your daughter. Since we've delayed to crown one of them, crown princess. So I am of the opinion that we do something very fast.
Oh no. Yes. Where did you get this information from?
I met Ichie Zimozo. He told me of their plans and that he's even prepared to support that young man. And you know him very well. He does not start any fight that he will not win.
Are you sure of this information?
My king, Your Majesty, I cannot joke with such a thing. Let me further explain to you. In no distance time, they will come. And when they come, for sure, they must have talked to some of the elders in council. And they will support him as well because they are afraid of the aftermath, the anger of the gods on them. They are afraid of that. So I still appeal to you. Let us do something. Please, before it's too late. You know, in the history of this our kingdom, no sitting king have been the road or the throne. And yours will not be that way. I don't want it to happen, please.
Oh no, I've heard all you said. My daughters are the ones frustrating me. In fact, I'm tired of talking to them. They refuse to step down for a mother. But I will still talk to them. And if they refuse to listen, I will know the next thing to do.
Your Majesty, you just have to talk to them. The more, tell them the implication of this action they are about to take. And when it happens, it will not be palatable for any of us.
Thank you. Oh no, I will do exactly what you just said. No, you can now take your drink. So, how is everything generally? Your house, your family?
Well, Your Majesty, sorry, we are not in the mood to take anything, but we can do that later. We are here to talk to you. But first of all, let me start from reminding you what happened years back at Ajala Shrine. The oath you took at Ajala. Before Okenna here, his late father, our supposed Igwe, handed over the throne to you. The throne of Amanze. Before he handed over to you, what happened between you and him at Ajala Shrine? Now, what is happening? What is happening now? Is it the agreement?
Yes, I'm aware of the agreement.
Good. Now, what is happening? This boy Okenna here, Prince Okenna, has been coming to this palace, patiently waiting for you, Your Majesty, to give him your daughter's hand, the princess, in marriage. According to the agreement you had with the father. But what happened? You refused. Up to now, Your Majesty, what is happening?
Ichie Zimuzo, I heard all you said. They are true. My present challenge are my daughters. Both of you experienced what happened the day they were meant to be crowned the princess of this kingdom. And up till now, the matter is still unresolved.
Your Majesty, if I can remember, the gods of our land revealed the solution to the chief priest. And you were told. What did you do?
My daughters refused to step down for the order. Okenna here tried to talk to them, but they did not listen. So what am I supposed to do?
Igwe. I'm running out of patience. I mean, if I clearly understand the entire situation, it means I'm aware that you were given a time frame to solve this entire problem. Igwe, I am not getting any younger. My father had an agreement with you. I must get married and move on with my life. Most importantly, I must take my inheritance. And if I do not get married to any of your daughters, I can't take what rightfully belongs to me. Igwe, I'm sorry to say this. If I do not get married to your daughters, you'd have to give up the throne.
Your Majesty, in addition to what Prince Okenna here said, all your cabinet members are aware and they are in support. Huh? They are in support. Okenna, let us go.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race. All man on his own.
You had the guts to go into the room and ward for you crown. A crown meant for me. Are you mad? Raise your hands up above your head. Hey, close your eyes. Raise it up higher. Stupid thing. Look at this thing. A crown I've never worn before. My friend, raise your hands up. Nonsense. Princess, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. It won't happen again, please. That's fine. You will learn from this mistake. You stay here until night falls. Raise your hands up. Can you imagine? The crown has never won. Hello.
Remember I told you I have an appointment with somebody? Yes. Let me go and see the person. I'll come and see you in the house.
Why is she being punished? What has she done wrong?
Can you imagine? This girl, this thing, wore the royal crown. She wore the crown meant for the princess. My crown.
Sorry, did you say she wore the royal crown?
Yes.
Meant for the princess?
Yes.
And she's still alive?
Yes, nothing happened to her.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes.
That's impossible. Hey, come here. Get up. Get up! Come. Did you wear the royal crown?
I'm sorry, sir. It was a
Did
mistake.
you wear the crown meant for the princess?
Yes, sir.
And nothing happened to you?
Yes, sir.
You're not sick?
Nothing. I'm fine, sir. I'm not sick.
How do you feel?
I feel good. Go back there and kneel down.
It's okay, it's okay. Just let her go. Just let her go. Hey, go, go.
Hey, let me warn you. You will never be this lucky again. I promise you that.
What's your name?
She's over, sir.
You can go to your...
Get out! Get out! Run!
Hey, the crown was meant to strike her dead. She's just a maid, right?
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know who this maiden is. Everything about her, I want to know. Want to know everything about her. I want to know.
Johnson, there's a problem.
What problem?
The palace maiden.
So what about the palace maiden?
Are you not thinking what I am thinking?
I'm not thinking what you're thinking of.
Can you not sense that there's something special about that girl?
What can be special about a palace girl? I beg.
Do you know why she was punished?
She was punished because she wore the crown.
And that doesn't bother you?
No.
You won't understand, Johnson.
Please take me out of this place.
You won't understand.
Seated here all alone. Is anything the matter?
There is problem. Okenna was here a few hours ago.
He came? What did he come to do?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know why he came? He came in respect of the same thing that Ono told us. He said he's coming to take back his father's throne. Oh my God. I told you to talk to your children. Just look at what is happening now. All because of your carelessness. Talk to your daughters. Now, we're losing everything. We're losing the throne, the royal house, even the respect that the world have for me as Igwe of Amanze Kingdom. All because your daughters refuse to listen to their father. But let me tell you, all of you should start preparing your grave. Yes! Start preparing your grave because I'm good.
Your Majesty, that's unfair. Are you not saying that you're going to kill your entire family just because of worldly things? Yeah?
Now leave my presence. Leave my presence. Leave now.
My daughters, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to this royal family? What is going on? Why can't one person step down for the other to take this crown so that peace will reign in our family? Please, can one person just step down so that the other will take the crown, become the princess and get married to this young man, Okenna? Do you know that Okenna was here earlier today? And he threatened your father. He's threatened to collect the throne from your father if something is not done about the situation. And your father is very angry about this. He is not taking it lightly at all. Your father has threatened me that if you people do not use your senses and solve this problem, that he is going to kill all of us. And you know your father. Whatever he says, he will surely do. Please. You people should do something about this situation. I beg you.
Mom. I've heard your plea. And I want you to be happy.
Oh my God.
That being said, I am willing to step down for Adako.
Oh my God. Dimma.
Mother.
Thank you so much. You will do this for me? Your father will be very happy to hear this. May the gods be with you.
I see.
Thank you so much.
Really? What a dramatic girl. So you've finally come to your senses. You've accepted defeat. Why didn't you say this all this while? Instead of wasting everybody's time in this palace. Mother, leave me. Really?
Well, mother.
Oh, goodness.
My stepping down has a price.
A price? My daughter, mention it. Say it out. How much? Just say it.
Mother, you've always known me. I'm not a greedy person. There are two things involved in this matter.
Two things? Say it out.
If I'm to step down for Adako to wear the princess's crown, then she will have to leave Okenna so I can be with him.
Lies. Tima, you lie. Perhaps in your little head, you believe Okenna is palliative to be shared. Now, little sis, let me educate you. Okenna is only for the princess. Alright? So, if you genuinely want to step down, she will do it quietly so that I can wear my crown peacefully.
Mother.
Hello? Do you expect me to go on my knees begging you to withdraw your request? Mother. Or your whatever stupid statement? Hey,
Mother.
Wake up. I won't
Can you
do that.
see how greedy she is? It was pretty simple. But being the greedy person that she is, she wants everything to herself. She wants to amass everything. And that's not going to work. Mother, I did what not every sister out there would do for another sister. But I did it for her. But her greed will not let her see the favor I'm trying to do for her. As it stands, Mother, there's nothing I can do.
Dima, please don't say that.
Mother.
Don't talk like that. Your father will kill all of
Then
us.
let him kill us all. Who cares?
Mother.
Mother, you know what?
Please, I've
As
had
it
enough of
stands,
this.
the royal household can just disappear for all I care. I have made my statement.
Ma.
Mother.
Adako and them man.
I did already.
I know agree, you know agree. Na him get your shirt you. This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The wins are fighting like what's the enemy? This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The wins are fighting like what's the enemy? You are fighting for crown, fighting for position. One mother walk or they will not. One day, put one day, put out the woman, Janja. You're fighting for crown, fighting for.
Why are you sitting here thinking? Are you still thinking about that maiden? Come off it, son. She is not worth it.
Mom, aren't you worried? Aren't you worried about the story I told you? If you're not, I am. Mom, the royal crown rejected 2 princesses of royal blood and almost struck them to death, but accepted a common maid, a nobody, a palace maid. Isn't that scary? Mom, this situation is enough to get me frightened.
Okay, fine. So what do you want to do about it?
I'd like to get to know more about her.
If that is the case, then send for her. If that will bring you out from this mood.
That's funny.
I don't like this your mood at all.
My son, what can I offer you?
Igwe, there's no point for that.
It's okay. My son, you were here yesterday. And I pleaded with you to give me some time to sort out things with my daughters. So why have you come again today?
Igwe, I'm actually here for a different reason.
And what could that be?
Igwe, my mother's only maid, fell seriously sick.
Oh, sorry.
So she's going to be with her parents. And my mother desperately needs a replacement to help with the house chores before the original one comes back.
Which of the maiden would you like to take along with you?
Igwe, I'm not familiar with all of them, but I guess I can pick from a few of them if I see them, yes.
God.
Your Highness.
Summon all the maidens here right now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Igwe.
That's all.
Everything all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
All right.
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
So my son,
Igwe,
they are here. Which of them?
This one is fine, the light skin one.
Chizoba.
Yes.
Chizoba.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go in there, pack some of your things. You are going with the prince to help his mother with some house chores for some days. You will be back.
Your Majesty, hope there's no problem.
No. There's no problem. Like I said, you are safe. Just to help his mother. Good. Go now. Go now.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I want to know who this maiden
Igwe, thank you very much. I appreciate this kindness of yours.
Why are you looking so much? What's the problem?
I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy?
What could Chizoba be doing for that guy in his house?
But you overheard the king saying that she's just going there to help them for 2 days.
And you believe that? You are such a big fool.
Widow, you are calling me a fool. See, in your life, don't ever call me a fool again. Are you stupid? Since you claim that you know everything, now tell me.
I have said it before. Chizoba has a plan in this palace. Yes. Or maybe she's eyeing that guy. These two things. One must be very, very sure. Or should I say, wait. Hey, maybe both of them planned it together. And they decided to come up with this story. I think the Igwe sold Chizoba to Okenna to go and sleep with him.
Hey! Gossip. I heard everything you said. I heard everything. Just now. So you said that the Igwe sold Chizoba to Okenna for her to sleep with him. Okay?
I didn't say that.
Something you said just now, you want to deny it?
I didn't say that now.
Let's go and explain to Igwe. We'll get up, let's go so you can explain to her. And you know what that means.
Okay, please.
See, calm
down, please.
Leave
now.
me.
See, don't report me to the Igwe, please. You punish me, please, I beg you.
So you even know how to beg?
Please.
So you can plead. Let me ask you. So all the while that Chizoba did something wrong in this palace and she pleaded with you not to report her to the Igwe, did you accept?
But you're not Chizoba now. You're not Chizoba.
But she's my friend. Everyone in this palace knows she's my best friend. And anything that affects her affects me also in this palace.
She's your friend, not your sister.
Are you kidding me? Well, for your information, I'm not a gossip like you. Whatever thing that will happen to you in this palace will not come from me. What I'm assuring you is that you will kill yourself by your own self and bury yourself by your own self in this palace. Rubbish, gossip, that's what you are. Nonsense.
Yes. Now we just go about talking anyhow, basket mouth.
Hey, me, basket mouth. Don't worry, I'll deal with you in this palace. Hey.
That night, I dreamt of dressing up like a princess. All the maidens, including Adako and Dema, were following and worshipping me. After some days, I entered the royal room. I mistakenly wore the royal crown, which cost me a heavy punishment.
Thanks for telling me your story. But I have a question for you. Are you aware that the crown was made for either Dima or Adako? And when they tried to fit it, the crown rejected both of them and eventually almost took their lives. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir. I'm aware.
And you still went ahead to wear the crown? What if something bad had happened to you? What would you have done?
The thought didn't cross my mind that day. I'm very sorry.
Who are your parents? Are they royalty?
No, ma. My parents live in the city. I live here with my grandmother. Some years back, when I wanted to write my final exams, my parents couldn't afford it. My friend Ini Edo, who works in the palace, told me about a vacancy in the palace, so I applied.
You said you live with your grandmother?
Yes, sir.
Interesting. I'd like to see your grandmother. I have a few questions for her.
Please, sir. Please. Don't tell my grandmother what I did. She will die.
No, get up. Get up. It's totally far from that. I'm not going to speak of anything. I just have a few questions to ask her about the palace. Are you satisfied?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma.
It's okay. Mother, kindly tell the maid to take good care of her. Give her food and water to drink. I'll see your grandmother tomorrow. Is that okay?
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know who this maiden is.
My son, Chizoba's mother is my daughter. She is married to Mazi Onyekwere from Urama community. They live in the city. As time went on, things started getting bad, of which they can't even afford 2 square meals in a day. So I decided to take Chizoba along with me so that I can support her in her education. But you know how the country is. Things started getting worse and worse every day by day, of which I couldn't even afford her education anymore. So I decided to send her to the palace to go and work as a maid in there. At least to support me. So that is how it all started.
Mama, I'm very sorry to hear all of that. Your story is very pathetic.
Thank you, my son.
I'm sorry for all you have been through. I know I have asked a million questions, and I apologize about that. I have just one more to ask, and after that I'm done. I want you to tell me, are Chizoba's parents related to any royal family?
Royal family, you said?
Yes.
No.
No?
And why do you ask?
Nothing actually. It's just a random question, ma.
No.
No. Okay. In that case, that'll be all. Mama, get some palm oil.
Ewo, all this money for me? Oh, no, thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll be on my way.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
It's okay.
My God will bless you.
You say?
Thank
you very much.
Oh my God. Thank you, Na.
Yeah.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Chizaba.
I want to know who this maiden is. I want to know who this maiden is. Everything about her, I want to.
So you mean this is why he invited you to his house?
This is serious. So does he have to go that far?
Nedi, honestly, I don't understand. He gave my grandmother huge amounts of money, even requested to see my parents.
Huge amount of money. So he went to that extent. This is serious. So let it not be what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
I think that guy is interested in you.
Nedi, what are you saying?
Yes, now.
What is yes now? What would a rich and handsome guy like him be doing with a poor wretched maiden like me? Besides, he's meant to marry one of the Igwe's daughters and not me.
Okay, now that things are not going well between him and the princesses, what do you expect? What do you want him to do?
Even at that, I'm too poor for him.
Nne, you don't know that you are very beautiful. You are a damsel. The only thing you lack is money. It just need the nwoke ya totoro gi piachasia gi tie gi oyaka with ego. Your beauty will come out now. You will see that you are the most beautiful girl on earth. Ha.
Nelly, please, can we change the topic? Please.
Nne, which other topic will be more important than what we are discussing? Okay, let's change the topic. Tell me, what did they offer you there? What did you eat there?
Please leave me.
Tell me
food,
now.
Food.
What kind of food?
Come here.
Good day, my princess.
Where have you been? It's been 3 days, and you have been missing from this palace. I needed you to do something for me. So where have you been?
My princess, your father sent me to Kena's house to help his mother with some house chores.
But I was told you were meant to stay there for just 2 days. Why take 3 days? As a madam of your own or what exactly? Now you listen to me. The next time you try that nonsense, you see what I'll do to you.
I'm sorry.
Now leave my side.
Uche, I've come to see you for something very important.
If it's about Igwe stepping down from the throne, don't bother yourself. I'm already on the matter. I have already called all the cabinet members and discussed with them. They're all solidly behind us. So, it depends on where you are ready.
Uche, I'm here for a different reason.
Different reason? And what could that be?
According to our customs and tradition, A royal blood must wear the crown to become the princess of the kingdom.
Okay. My word.
And if a commoner touches the crown, that person gets struck by the gods. Something terrible happened. And that's why I'm here. A maiden called Chizoba. Do you know her? She mistakenly walked into the royal room, and according to her, she playfully wore the royal crown. And nothing happened to her.
Wait. How possible could that be?
I am as surprised as you are.
This kind of thing have never happened in this community for once. Unless if that person has a royal blood. But who is that girl? From which family?
I have no idea.
She walked into the prayer room and wore a princess crown. Nothing happened to her. See, we need to go and see Big Boy and ask him to tell us more about that girl. We need to know that girl.
This is a promise.
Where is she? Where is she?
Where's who?
Don't you dare pretend as though you do not know who I'm talking about.
Who are you talking
Where's
about?
that fool that wants to reap where she did not sow?
Your sister?
Oh, now you know who I'm talking about. She's been here since yesterday. And you both have been enjoying yourself as though life starts and ends with you. You've been giving it to her front, left, right, back, and center. Now where is she?
Point of correction. I have nothing to do with your sister. I have no sexual relationship with her. If you want to see your sister, she's in one of the rooms.
Where's the room?
All the way upstairs. Excuse me.